My name's Danny Boyd. I'm the general manager of the Oxford, Alabama location for America's Home Place. One of the things that I love most about working at America's Home Place is when a customer comes in with lots of questions, needing answers about what the process about building a house, how much they can afford, those type of things. And it's always wonderful that we're able to carry them through a process of creating a budget, establishing what they can afford, talking about the different amenities that would be able to fit in their budget, so that by the time that they leave, they have a nice complete picture of the process of what we can do for them as far as designing their house, how we can help set them up with the lender that would work best for their personal situation. And they always leave with lots of knowledge about construction. So it's always great to see when we finish a meeting that they have those answers in order to make a decision whether to move forward or how to move forward with building their dream home. My name's Danny Boyd. I'm the general manager of the Oxford, Alabama location for America's Home Place.